All right, so whenever we factor an expression, so this was from P5 with 18 and 19. Remember, whenever you factor the way that I equated it yesterday. All right, so the biggest thing that I would say, like how we kind of set this up whenever we talked about it yesterday, was if you think about factoring the way that I explained it to Rachel yesterday, it's like if everybody is sitting like at a poker table, okay, if you know how poker works, and whenever somebody goes all in, okay, somebody's going all in for everything, all of their money. But not everybody has different amounts. So you can only take the highest amount from the lowest person. Does that make sense? So, of this, with the 16 and the 32, what's the most that I can take out of each part? 16. Okay. Now, the same way with the x and its power. Which one has the lowest power? Negative 3/4. Because it's negative, right? Negative 3/4 is smaller than 1/4, right? Okay. So I have x to the negative 3/4 power. So then in terms of the first term, if this is what I took out, what do I have left? Do I have anything left? From the 16. From the 16, x to the negative 3/4. So I took everything from it, right? So the only thing I have left is just a 1 because I'm multiplying. The sign is going to be the same because it's still a positive out in front. Now, from here, okay, so now here, answer this question again. With the 32, I took out a 16, so what do I have left? I have a 2, and then I have x. Then I have x to what power? Because remember, what happens whenever I multiply two exponents together? What do I do with the powers?
Add them.
I add them together. So if I add them together, what plus the negative 3/4 is going to give me 1/4?
Can you repeat that?
What power plus negative 3/4, or what power minus 3/4 gives you 1/4? 1. So it's just to the first power. And then I'm done there.